I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
My name is Jamie Astudillo. I am from the USA and we're out here at the Singapore MX Beach Race. I'm racing the women's category, the 250 expert, and the open category as well. This is such a great event. Pablo did an amazing job and I'm super grateful to be out here racing in Singapore right on the beach.
Hi guys, it's Alex right here. We're at the Singapore Beach Race. I'm from California. I'm excited to be here. It's an amazing event. We're racing here on the beach in the sand, and there's no funner event all year, honestly. Like, this is one of the best things that I get to do. This event is amazing. You know, it's so iconic what we're being able to do on the beach, you know, here in the sand. It's awesome. It's very difficult, you know, with the sand being so soft, but once you get a hang of it, you know, it's no other feeling like just surfing a berm. It's nice.
Will you find me? Hope you find